Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilham, and now I'm talking about the COVID-19. Okay, WHO said that coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infection disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Most people who contact COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and will recover without special treatment. However, some people will experience serious pain and require medical assistance. And the beginning of COVID-19 spread in Indonesia. Coronavirus enters Indonesia starting from a dance party. The case of COVID-19 in Indonesia began with a dance party at the Paloma and Amigos Club at Jakarta. Participants in the event were not only Indonesian citizens but also multinational, including Japanese citizens living in Malaysia. The following is the chronology of the coronavirus that immigrated in Depok, West Java, Indonesia. And it's been 3 years since the COVID outbreak in Indonesia. The government urges all Indonesian people to get vaccinated and use masks if you want to go somewhere to prevent the spread of COVID-19. And many people say that all is just conspiracy, and many people do not believe in this virus. We all know conspiracies are none, and I hope that someone would tell me what was right. And the number of positive cases of corona is increasing day by the day. There are patients who died, many also test negative and as will recover. COVID-19 has had many victims, children, parents. This is the most dangerous virus right now. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed our lives. Having to stay indoors more, seeing family and friends less, and school closed can increase stress and lead to conflict at home. If you're feeling afraid of being upset at home, then try to talk to trusted family or friends. But many people feel disappointed and hopeless with this virus, including myself and my family, because all the economy has stopped. This virus could be have a broke a family pandemic too. To all the poor people like me, we are very worried. The COVID-19 pandemic has been going on since early 2020. The government has made various efforts to prevent the spread of the virus. Several efforts have been made by the government, including the large-scale social reporting police, and the adoption of new habits, and the police encouraging people to adjust their behavior according to the health protocols set by the government. In addition, the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the order of people's lives, where aspects of people's lives are changing rapidly. As a provider of quality statistical data, the Central Statistics Agency plays a role in providing information related to handling the pandemic. The quantity of behavior survey during the COVID-19 pandemic was carried out online. This survey provides information on prevention of conflict and effectiveness of health protocol, the protocols and assessment of the COVID-19 pandemic, the role of the media in providing information on COVID-19, and other aspects regarding the order of people's life during the pandemic. Mahfud said the government continued to absorb the aspiration of the community, Regarding the unrest, this inspiration were then involved in the efforts in handling the COVID-19 pandemic. He said that fears must be faced with comfort among elements of the nation. He mentioned government figures, community leaders, campus or academic leaders, traditional leaders, and other parties involved in handling the COVID-19 pandemic. He said similar conditions were ensured in other countries. The policy of visiting community activists in other countries does not always run smoothly. Same thing happens in various countries. There are four examples of anarchists and records on community activities or activities, he said. Okay, we move to the COVID-19 as the conspiracy. More than 2 years has passed, and this virus is still remnant, one of which is Indonesia. Then many conspiracy theories around COVID-19 have sprung up, both by word of mouth and on social media. Here are five conspiracy theories related to COVID-19. First, America created the coronavirus. This conspiracy theory says that the United States government created the coronavirus. This theory was first created by the Russian news network channel, one while it was broadcasting live. The prisoner said that coronavirus was created by the US government to destroy the Chinese economy. So the US can make and sell vaccines to the Chinese government. This statement is claimed to be based on the meaning of corona in Russian and Latin, which means crowns. In fact, President Trump has served on beauty pageant jets and has sometimes been in court of crowning winners. The presenter said, "This is the reason why the virus is called corona or crown." However, this claim was denied by scientists that the virus was named corona because of its crown-like shape. And the secondly is Bill Gates designed the COVID-19 pandemic. Bill Gates' name is also inspired by conspiracy theories about COVID-19. As predicted in October 2019, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation teamed up with the World Economic Forum and the Johns Hopkins Center of Health Century to test how best to deal with outbreak. And shortly after, COVID-19 emerged 2 months later. The conspiracy theories says that the event was the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. However, this is disputed by the Johns Hopkins Center of Healthy Safety. There are also those who say that Bill Gates designed a vaccine and microbic immunity. And the third is Internet 5G. Then I saw a conspiracy theories believe that COVID-19 virus is caused by radiation waves emitted by 5G internet. Moreover, Wuhan, one of the first Chinese cities to get 5G. This theory is based on how 2000 research paper that state that 5G is harmful to human health. As we also mentioned, this virus is actually radiation poisoning, which makes the immunity system weak and susceptible to disease. People against the conspiracy says that Alice's statement cannot be justified because in a 2005 study confirmed that 5G is harmless to humans. Then they point to the fact that Wuhan is not the only city to get 5 internet. There are 16 cities in China that get 5 internet. The fourth is copied as China's biological weapon. This conspiracy believes that China created the COVID-19 virus as part of its biological weapons program. This virus is stored in the National Biosophy Laboratory, then leaked and caused a pandemic. The laboratory is the only facility owned by the Chinese government that can conduct research on deadly virus, including the coronavirus. This conspiracy emerged based on the President Xi Jinping's statement after the pandemic. He said laboratory safety was a national issue. And the last one is uh, COVID-19 has stolen from Canada. Some people believe that the COVID-19 coronavirus was created by social science teacher Justin Trudeau at the National Microbiology Laboratory in Winnipeg, Canada. The laboratory is a Canadian government facility that conducts research on the deadly virus. Conspiracy Express said the Chinese space to store and send the virus to the Wuhan Institute of Virology. The spy is Dr. Kering Cheng and his wife, Dr. Xiang Qiu. They worked in the lab and were suddenly laid off in the 20 and 19. Conspiracy experts claimed they were afraid of stealing virus samples. However, the Royal Canadian Police said they were expert due to police and administrative issues. Okay, that's all. This virus is very dangerous, and many people say this is just a conspiration. But we all know conspiracies are dumb. But I hope someone would tell me what was right. Okay, that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.